Hey everybody, Hardtekticon's back, and I'm bringing you a brand new box of big bad toy store goodies to get into. So, like I just said, let's get into it. Alright, it's not a big box. I was really hoping that Hardtekticon was going to come out because this is my birthday coming up. And for the last several years, starting with Devastator, I've actually gotten a Titan for my birthday every year. Bought by me, of course. But didn't work out this year. Nice. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, might have to bleep some stuff out there. But takes care of looking for the receipt. Alright. But kind of got a big mix in here. Of course, mainly Transformers. But a little bit of everything from Transformers. Alright. Well, first up, right on top, one of the main things I was looking forward to is BBTS bubble wrap. No. Really, is this. The Iron Factory Burning Slug, their take on Warpath. Forgot his name for a split second. But yeah, one of my very, very favorite Transformers. And I think everybody should have a Warpath. Few, actually. Maybe some in scale. This one will probably be in scale. And another Iron Factory mini pot. Even though he's not so mini, we have Iron Factory's Cygnus, which is their take on Jetfire / Skyfire, whichever one you want to call them. So yeah, that's pretty cool. He's even got the helmet option. It's a whole different head sculpt. Now here, a little bit disappointed about this one. This is the PC-21 Perfect Combiner by Perfect Effect. And I was really hoping to have the other two Dinobots, the last two deluxes, and the other set, the PC-23, which is like a sword and a bunch of extra pieces to make them look all bigger and beefier and hopefully more stable. But those two things didn't come out yet, but hopefully soon. Now here we have something fun. The Studio Series Toys R Us RIP Thundercracker. Looks pretty cool. So yeah, that's neat. So now I have a movie style of Starscream, Thundercracker, and Skywarp. Skywarp being the movie one version of Starscream repaint that was a Walmart exclusive. That way you got all three Seekers, yet they're still kind of different. Here's something that I've been looking for a while, and they just happen to have it on sale, even though it wasn't much of a sale. The Constructbots Bumblebee versus Stinger with Strafe, the dino, two-headed dino. And that's pretty cool. I really enjoy the Constructbots. They're a lot of fun. I like mixing and matching the pieces and all that, and just having a good time with them. Wish there was more Decepticons that came out for this line, but still pretty cool. And another thing that I've been meaning to get for a while that was on sale. Let's see if I can say this right. Gakisomaru. And I got him to go with whoever the police car was, and the Optimus Prime that turns into a crappy dragon and a train. And it makes this really big, cool combiner. This is a fairly heavy box. Guy doesn't look that big, even though I don't know if you can see, but his chest is pretty big. Yeah, very cool. And that is it for this box. But a side note, I recently picked up, yet have still not opened up, Power of the Prime's Inferno. That's pretty cool, since I haven't seen Elita 1 yet. I've seen Hunger, but no Elita 1. And even better, finally got me a Studio Series Grimlock Leader Class. He had to bend his knees, he's so big. So So I'm looking forward to getting this open too. Yeah, lots of cool stuff. And yeah, should be fun to open it up and play with it and all that. And hey, check this out. Can you focus on it? I got kitten bitten. Yeah, kittens can bite really hard. So that's a fun way to end the video. So until next time, I will see y'all later. Oh, and one more thing. Forgot, my wife got me something special. Wrap snacks. Barbecuing with honey. Romeo Miller. Wrap snacks. Gonna eat them.